Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These days, most of us are spending our time on a chair or enjoying various kind of delicious food with family. But did you notice you have gained much weight recently and no time to do exercises? I'm pretty sure that you hate your fat and you are looking for a great solution to get rid of them while enjoying your favorite delicacies. Don't worry, here is the solution. Now you can burn your body fat fast while eating more foods. Eating more and fat no more. After watching this video, you'll be able to lose your body fat fast with the help of these amazing foods. Today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 foods that burn fat fast. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain a lot of minerals that help in weight loss. Chia seeds have a lot of fiber and they keep you fuller longer. And in turn, this helps to prevent overeating. A study published found that chia seed supplementation reduces appetite and increasing feeling of satiety. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain at least 10 grams of fiber. According to researchers, eating 30 grams of fiber daily may help you to lose as much as weight if you follow a more complicated diet. Also, they are high in omega-3 fatty acids and contain zero cholesterol and great source of protein, calcium and several minerals. You can have this with any liquid such as juice or water, and also you can try adding chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeals, salads, yogurts, muffin, soup, pudding and even homemade bread. Number 2. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are extremely low in calories but rich in fiber. Anyone who has tried to stick to a diet knows that the toughest part is not feeling full or satisfied after eating. Recent study shows that eating mushrooms help people feel fuller for longer. Eating mushroom means feeling full while still eating healthy and low-calorie foods. This is a win-win and can really rely on people who are looking to lose weight while enjoying eating. Mushrooms also help to burn fat in the body because their nutrients help to regulate glucose levels in the blood. A university research says mushroom can help people to lose weight by regulating blood sugar levels, and they can help to improve your immune function as well. Their excellent nutritional value will keep you energized and allow you to work out for longer. Mushrooms are also known to have cancer-fighting properties and packed with vitamin and minerals. To enjoy mushrooms, make yourself a mushroom salad by adding all your favorite veggies, and also they can be consumed raw, fried and can be used to complement a number of different food dishes. Number 3. Salmon. If you want to lose your weight fast, you must add salmon to your diet. Eating more salmon will enhance your overall health and help you to lose weight. Because salmon is rich in protein, it helps regulate the hormones that control appetite and make you feel full. And it helps you to eat less throughout the day. In addition, your metabolic rate increases more after eating salmon. Researchers suggest that the omega-3 fats in salmon may promote weight loss and decrease belly fat. One study found that supplementing with DHA, the main omega-3 found in salmon, can reduce belly fat fast. Also, salmon is fairly low in calories and 100 grams of white salmon has around 182 calories. Vitamin D contained in salmon can help minimize belly fat as it is involved in producing hormones that regulate appetite. Salmon is very delicious fish and you can try salmon grilled, baked, steamed, smoked and even as a salad. It can also be served raw in sushi and sashimi. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes rich in fiber and help you to lose weight and burn belly fat. The high fiber content of sweet potatoes make you feel full after your meal, helping you to have calorie-restricted diet. It is said that 100 grams of sweet potatoes have 86 calories. Also, the specific kind of fiber contained in sweet potatoes could reduce the risk of obesity. The high water content in sweet potatoes great for weight loss. Sweet potatoes are also a pretty good option for people who are eating low carbs. The antioxidant contained in sweet potatoes protect your body from inflammation, which can lead to weight gain. The carbs in sweet potatoes give the energy to keep yourself active and healthy, and also sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A and many minerals. This is yummy food and you can have it baked with steamed veggies even as a salad. Number 5. Asparagus. This bright green veggie is rich in fiber and also low-calorie vegetable. 1 cup of asparagus contains only 32 calories. This means you can eat a lot of asparagus without taking in a lot of calories. Asparagus high in water and it is about 94% water. Researchers suggest that consuming low calories and water-rich foods is associated with weight loss. Asparagus is packed with soluble and insoluble fiber. Just half a cup of asparagus contains 1.8 grams of fiber, which is 7% of your daily needs. It helps you feel full faster. In turn, you will take less food with fewer calories. Asparagus may help with pregnancy and also good for high blood pressure and heart diseases. Asparagus rich with many vitamins, minerals, calcium and protein. To reap the maximum benefit, pair it with a boiled egg. Fiber-rich asparagus with egg protein will help you feel satisfied. It can also be eaten raw or cooked. You can try it with salad, omelette, wraps, seasoned with garlic and pepper. Number 6. Green peas. Green peas also are a rich source of protein and fiber. While protein can help to prevent unnecessary calorie intake, fiber can help in maintain a healthy digestive system. With both abilities combined, green peas can help with healthy weight management by promoting weight loss. Green peas are relatively low in calories and rich in fiber. 145 grams of green peas contain 8.26 grams of fiber. They also are super low in fats and contain no cholesterol. One whole cooked cup of peas contains less than 0.5 gram of fat. The low-fat legume can be used to make many filling and low-calorie preparations. Green peas also help boost the immune system of the body and also enrich with vitamin K, C, manganese, iron, phosphorus, potassium and more. You can either consume dried peas as healthy snacks or add frozen peas as the tasty filling. Instead of making your pasta by using sausages and bacon, you can throw a cup of boiled peas. Doing so would not only burn fat and save calories but also make the dish more filling. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli, also known to play a great role in weight loss. It is a powerhouse companion that helps to achieve a toned body. Broccoli is full of weight loss friendly fibers. A cup of cooked broccoli has around 5 grams of fiber. It takes the longest to digest and keeps you satiated for long. Also, broccoli is low in calories and a bowl of cooked broccoli has around 60 calories. And broccoli has 90% of high water content. Calcium contained in broccoli may reduce the production of new fat cells and stimulate the breakdown of stored fat. According to a recent research, people on low-calorie diets that include calcium supplements from dairy products lost more weight. And also, vitamin C contained in broccoli helps to burn fat. An article published says people who consume a high amount of vitamin C will lose weight fast. You can have broccoli with various recipes such as steamed, fried, cooked, roasted, with soup and even as a salad. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages. Caffeine contained in green tea has been found to aid fat burning in numerous studies. One study shows that those who consumed green tea lost an average of 2.9 pounds during a 12-week period. And also, caffeine and EGCG, both are found naturally in green tea, promote breakdown of fat cells. Green tea extract has been repeatedly linked to increased fat burning both during exercise and rest. Several studies confirm EGCG boosts the burning of fat, which may lead to reduced body fat in long term. Also, several studies prove that green tea extract or EGCG supplements can make you burn more calories even at rest. In more studies show this amount as 8%. Other way that green tea could aid weight loss is by reducing appetite. This would make you consume fewer calories without any effort. Number 9. Kale. Kale is also a weight loss friendly food and it is one of the healthiest plant food. Eating more kale is a great way to lose your weight. Kale is low in calories. A single cup of raw kale contains only 33 calories and 6 grams of carbs. And also kale contains little fat. Because of the low calorie and high water content, kale has a low energy density. Eating plenty of foods with a low energy density has been shown to aid weight loss in numerous studies. Kale also contains small small amounts of protein and fiber. As you already know, these are two of the most important nutrients when it comes to losing weight. A cup of kale contains 2.4 grams of dietary fiber or 10% of the dairy value based on a 2000 calorie diet. Kale also have many vitamins, iron, phosphorus, calcium, copper and more which help you to be more healthy. Adding kale to your diet is very simple. You can add it to your salads or use it in various recipes. And also try adding kale to your smoothies. Instead of potato chips, try kale chips too. It will be more healthy and more tasty. Number 10. Oatmeal. Oats are a stable breakfast for many and rich in healthy carbs and fiber. It is a perfect breakfast for Weight Watchers, and oats make for an ideal weight loss boosting food. Oats have high fiber content which takes long time to digest and hence work by keeping you fuller for longer. A university research shows that fiber contained in oats helps you lose weight by keeping you fuller for longer. And also, oats help people to feel full, decrease sugar spikes and decrease insulin. Those are the properties that make you feel full so you stop eating. It also regulates hunger by creating feeling of fullness. If you want to lose your weight faster, always take plain oats. A cup of flavored oats has 70 more calories than a cup of plain oats. And don't add sugar and don't exceed the portion size. You can have cooked oats with fruits, with milk and as you like, but remember to stay away from instant or flavored oats. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss my other videos. Then see you soon with new interesting video. Thanks for watching.